Okay, so usage tracking. Usage tracking. What usage we are going to track here is application usage we are going to track it. What usage we are going to track it? Application usage. For example, we have one website earlier days that is called as Arcud, right? Yeah, arcud.com. Right. Nowadays it is not available. Why they removed it? How they know nobody is using it? By tracking this application. By tracking this application. Right. Now you have some money. You want to go for marketing your product in the social websites. In front of you, we have the Facebook, Google Plus, and some other social websites are available. Where you are going to post your ad? How you are going to take the decision? Based on the your usage, again that application usage tracking. The product whatever we have is, that is, let us say sunglasses. Okay, most of the times 20 to 40 age people will be using more. 20 to 40 age people visiting more in which website? That website you are going to place the ad. Suppose it is a stick, old man stick it is. Then you are going to think about this stick is this website who is using it more. So based on the product, this product customers visiting which website more, that website you are going to choose it. That is called as what? Usage tracking. Similar line, you developed here one portal, a number of reports you developed it. Sorry, a number of reports you developed it, and you prepared here one application. That application is known as analytics application. In our analytics application, we have so many dashboards are available. So many dashboards are available. And these dashboards are using by who? These dashboards are using by who? Who are the business analysts are using it? HR business analysts are using it. Our finance business analysts are using it. Our supply chain order management business analysts are using it. Who are most benefited because of my investment in this application maintenance? That I want to know. That I want to know. So who logged in, what dashboard they are running, those all things I want. It means I need to maintain some tracking or not. I need to maintain some tracking. That tracking only we are trying to automate it by taking help of the usage tracking chapter. You know already whenever we ran the report, logs are creating, right? But logs are creating where? In nqquery.log file. In nqquery.log file, whatever logs created, those logs are unstructured data. Unstructured data. There is no rows and columns over there. It is a paragraph kind of text. The paragraph kind of text means it is a unstructured data. If it is unstructured data, on top of unstructured data, if I have to develop a report, that is not possible with our OBIEE. Because OBIEE can read only structured data. So there is a requirement, whatever it is writing in the log file, same data try to store into the one table. If you are able to store into the one table, who logged in, what report he ran it, what dashboard he ran it, how much time it is ran, and how many records it is given, like that all statistics it is giving. If you ask the question, for example, tell me top 10 business users who used application more time. Time wise, I want what? Top 10 business users. And I want to know top 10 dashboards which are used more, I want it. I want to know top 10 locations from where the people are using my application. I want to know top 10 days in a calendar month people are using more. Like that, you have here some questions you have in your mind about your application usage. You can go and you can answer it. Even it is useful to our admin people also. For the purpose of, I want to know top 10 reports which are taking more time in the runtime. Whenever user ran it, let us say one dashboard ran in the 10 seconds, another dashboard ran in the 9 seconds, another dashboard ran in the 8 seconds. I want to know top 10 dashboards that are taking more time wise. If I know that kind of, if I have that kind of report, my SLA at the time of agreement will have the, okay, any dashboard maximum we are going to execute 1 minute of time, we given the SLA, service level agreement. Suppose any report is crossing that 1 minute of the time, then we can go and we can take the performance tuning on that particular report. We have to apply the cache, or we have to apply the aggregate tables, or we have to apply the partition tables, or we have to apply the indexes. Some kind of solution we can go and we can take on that. Some kind of solution we can go and we can take on that. But how my administrator will be knowing which report is taking longer time? By using usage tracking, So this kind of questions which are running in my mind, if I want to answer these questions, I need here usage tracking. See here, these are the questions. Business want to know the top end users using application. Business want to submit application usage to federal or local governments, central or local government, something like that. Okay, if you want to submit that application usage also, we need to have the statistics. We should have the statistics. Next, admin or development team want to know the top end reports taking longer time. By default, user logs will be created in which file? NQ query log file, but it's available in the unstructured data format. If you want to insert these logs into a database table, then we need to go for what is this? Usage tracking. Once data is loaded into usage tracking table is a predefined one. Table name, column names, data type, size, those all things Oracle guy already created in our BIEE platform schema. BIEE platform schema is what? Default schema. As part of the repository creation utility, we got it. Two schemas we got. One is BIEE platform, second is metadata service MDS schema. Inside the BIEE platform schema, S underscore NQ underscore ACCT is the one of the table which already created. We are going to utilize now. Right. Then we can develop user-friendly report, collect user statistics, and each logical query submitted to the server. It is very important point. What we are going to store into this table? Logical query. Whenever one logical query is executed, immediately that logical query related data we are going to store into the table. If logical query is not executing, then I cannot store it. Suppose I went to the application, I clicked on the new here. Any logical query executed? No. So I cannot store that one. If I go for the filter, any logical query executed? No. I cannot store that one. When the logical query will be coming to the picture, whenever I am requesting some result, data, then only logical query will be coming into the picture. Okay, it's not the navigation tracking. It's not the navigation tracking. It's the data usage tracking indirectly. Though I am saying as application tracking again, some people did you see or not? They will tell you in my website what are the links you clicked. What are the links you clicked? They can tell that much. That kind of tracking is available. That is what? Navigation tracking. That is navigation tracking. We are not tracking navigation here. We are tracking only whenever one logical SQL is fired to the database, or it may be cache. Fired to the database, or it may be cache. If I want to get the result from the cache also, I need the logical SQL. If I want to get from the database also, logical SQL is required. On top of logical SQL, physical SQL will be created, then we'll get from the database. So each logical SQL things it is going to store inside the S underscore NQ underscore ACCT table. For that, do I need to do any configuration from my side? If yes, what is the configuration you have to do it? Process. First we are trying to creating the table. Usage tracking table created in BIEE platform automatically with the installation of OBIEE 12c installation. Actually, if you observe carefully, it's supposed to give here the point is with the installation of RCU. But in case of OBIEE 12c, we are not installing RCU separately. OBIEE 12c, whenever I am installing it, as part of OBIEE 12c installation, RCU will be installed, and as part of the RCU, BIEE platform will be installed. Same point, if you see in the 11G, I will be written the point as usage tracking table created in dev_underscore BIEE platform automatically with the installation of OBIEE RCU installation I written. Because their RCU separately have to install and OBIEE 11G separately have to install it. But here RCU installation is part of OBIEE 12C installation. Right. Now importing this table into the RPD. Step 2 is what? Importing this table into the RPD. Open RPD in online mode. You can open online or offline, whatever it is, no problem. Right. Let us say right click on the physical layer and we are trying to import this one. And I don't want to disturb my business data. Tell me inside this table whatever data we have it, and we have business tables like customer to table, products table, that one and this table data has any relation? No. Customer table, orders table is showing what? So and so Ram customer ordered what are the products and how much quantity ordered. That's how it is talking. But this application is what? My business user Robson, at what time he logged in, what dashboard he ran it, how much time the dashboard taken to run it, finally it is given how many records has output, that kind of statistics it is giving. So this business data and application data has no relation. If it no relation, why can't you can maintain separate track of that one, physical layer, PMM layer, presentation layer? That is the reason I am not mixing this table with my business data. I am creating altogether what? New database object inside the physical layer. Are you getting my point? So what is the meaning is, let me open the admin tool, administration. Then I am opening online mode, admin 123. Right. Now we are trying to create here in the physical layer new database you want it. So this is the physical layer, right click, new database. The new database name is, you are learning here usage tracking we are learning. So I am giving here usage tracking underscore, it is what? Database. What is your database type? It's a Oracle or SQL Server, or what is that? Oracle. So we go and try to select here Oracle 11G is our database. So I am selecting here Oracle 11G. My database is Oracle 11G. I'm thinking. One moment. Yeah. Oracle 11G is my database. So I am trying to go for here usage tracking underscore database and I am giving here Oracle 11G. Then click on OK. Now what you got here? One database object we got it. And inside the database object, I want to create here one connection pool. I want to create it. The connection pool we are giving here UT usage tracking underscore CP connection pool. And data source name as demo dot us dot oracle.com 1521 then slash orcl. Then username we have to provide it. Username is we are providing as username we have to provide here. What is the username? Dev underscore BIEE platform. I'm not sure actually it is a dev or it is a BIEE. So what I do is I'll go and I'll try to know that one, because generally if I am installing it I'll use the prefix as dev. I don't know Oracle what he given. We'll go and we'll try to know that one. Then we'll give you it. So for that, let us say go to the application here and connections. If you see here, I have this is a second instance platform, OBIEE BIEE platform second instance, and first instance we have here What is this? BAEE. Let me right click on this, then see the properties. So you given what you given? BAEE platform you given, and the password is what? Admin123 is the password. So system to system, the way we are installing it, the installation guy has the freedom to provide the prefix. Generally in our training rules means I'll provide the dev, but this guy provided BAEE provided. So same thing I am trying to provide in my case. Generally RRI Tech installed means dev only will provide it. That is the default value actually. Okay, right. Now I am trying to provide here. BAEE underscore BI flat farm and password as admin123 admin123. Okay, we created now connection pool. Now this connection pool, once we created, let us go and try to import the table. I am right clicking, import the metadata. So it's trying to validate. Invalid username, password, logon denied. Very good, very good. Okay, BA platform admin123. Oh, database name also different, sir. What is this? PDB ORCL is the database name. PDB ORCL is the database name. So we have to change here. PDB ORCL. So click on here. Okay. Now check in. Yes or no. Then right click, import metadata. Now it's connected. So we have ORCL is one database. PDB ORCL they taken here. In that one they created what? This BA platform, this all information. You got it? Now we are trying to click on here next. Then we have to go for here. BAEE platform. Then we have to go for here S underscore NQ underscore ACCT. Then import it. Then you can observe here it is imported or not. Then finish it. So now it is imported. Okay, and inside this one we have one column. That column is called as ID column, is acting as a key. In fact, this ID column not available in OBIEE 10G. ID column is not available in OBIEE 10G. At the moment, if I want the primary key, then I used to make manually I used to make username plus started timestamp. These two combination I will take as a unique key. Whenever one user is logged in so and so time, right? That two combination is what, unique or not? That two combination we used to take as a primary key, but that kind of pain is not there here. They only given ID column as a key. This ID is equal to the, in the database we have the row ID, right? Automatically it generates some 32 digits number. Similarly, it is going to generate the 32 digits number. It is a unique column, unique value. For each row, it is a unique value. Okay, that's cool. Now if you go and try to observe here some of the things, who ran the report, I can know by using what? Username. And how much time it is taken total, I can know using total time in seconds. And when they logged in, I can know by using start timestamp. And I can know it came from the cache or not by using what? Cache indication flag. And I can know by using here subject area name. That is nothing but in the presentation layer what subject area they used it. Like that, n number of things are available. If you observe one record, we will get more clarity. At this point of time, we have some columns are available. So that's what the step 1 what we step 2 what we have it. We imported all these things. Okay, and next is what? Creating the business model. So we are trying to create a business model. Right click in the BMM layer, New business model, name it as UT. Okay, right click, new business model, UT, usage tracking. Now this table whatever available, we are trying to drag and drop. And as the people are aware of it, only one table is available, it won't accept. That is the reason we are duplicating it. And once you duplicate it, we are going for business model diagram, old diagram. Then we are trying to create a new join, we are creating it. Then go and try to click on OK, close it. And this one we are trying to drag and drop into presentation layer. And this duplication we created only to logical join purpose only. We don't want to show to the customer. That is the reason I am deleting the duplicate one. Then let me check in changes, click on S. As of now it is not throwing any error, it's perfect. It is perfect. Now we can observe here, we completed now, we duplicated and we created the join the both the tables. Then we went for drag and drop this UT and save the RPD and close the RPD. Next very important one is available, set usage tracking parameters in nqsconfig.ini file. What is this nqsconfig.ini file? Initialization file or configuration file of the Oracle OBIEE server. Configuration file of the Oracle OBIEE server. Okay, excellent. Now we are going to the usage tracking section inside that one. First let me open this. Where it is available? You have to go to the Oracle home, user projects, domains, BI config, FMW config, BA config and OBIES. Let me navigate to that location. So I am going to the Oracle, then BAWE, user projects, domains, BI, then config, then FMW config, then BI config, then Oracle BI server, then nqsconfig.ini file is available. This path you have to remember. Now let me open this one. Now open. Here we have one of the section. That section is called as, what is the section? Usage tracking section. It is trying to collect the usage statistics on each what? Logical query submitted to the server. It's not the navigation of the application. It is a logical queries, whatever you fired it, whatever executed, then immediately it will be track that one. Who executed this logical SQL query, what this logical SQL query is talking about, it is running the report or dashboard, at what time it is executed, okay, how many records we got it is executed from the cache or database, like that information it is going to give it. Now, usage tracking is enabled or disabled? Disabled. So how to enable it? So we have to mark this as what? Yes. Now, one more point is better always. One more point is, let me close this. Close without saving. Now, whenever you are touching this file, right? This file is very sensitive file. So, copy and paste this one, and make a backup of this one always. Let us say I am trying to write here some name underscore backup on today date is what? 16 June 2017. Okay, take the backup and try to start modifying this one. Suppose something is went wrong, immediately we can replace that one. Okay, and we'll get the previous state at least. So let me open this one, double click, then usage tracking is equal to, we are saying as, what is this? Yes. And what is the meaning of this one? Parameter used for writing data to a flat file is what? Data insert is equal to 10. You want to write the data into the flat file or table? Table. So now we have to put here data insert is equal to yes or no? Parameter used for inserting data into a table, then we have to write here what? Yes, we have to put it. Already S is available, so we need not worry about it. This is the second one. Store two things. One is what? Enable is equal to yes. Second is equal to what? Direct insert is equal to yes. Third is your physical table name. Your physical table name. The physical table name we have to provide here. The syntax you can observe here. What is syntax? Database name dot schema name dot table name. Database name dot schema name dot table name. What is your database name? What is your database name? If you go and try to observe here, this is what my database name. In the physical layer, what is your database name? Sorry, not this one. Not this one. This is the one, right? This one we are going to use it. So what is your database name then? UT underscore DB is your database name. So carefully try to provide that name. I provide the data. Okay. I'm not able to copy and paste from my local system to this VM. So let me type it UT underscore DB. Now next is what we have here. Schema name. So schema name is what? Let us go and try to write here. The schema name. The schema name is the schema name is available here. That is BAWE underscore BA platform. So let me go and try to write here BAWE underscore BA platform. Next, what is the table name? S underscore NQ underscore ACCT. That's what I wanted. If you written any dot also extra, or if you written small case, uppercase, something, any case instead also you are writing, it won't work. Are you getting my point? It should be case sensitive as well as you should not write any spelling mistakes or anything else. Now we given here the syntax database name dot schema name dot table name. My database name is UT underscore DB. My schema name is BAW underscore BA platform, and table name is S underscore NQ underscore ACCT. One more thing you have to modify, that is called as, what is this? Connection pool. The connection pool syntax is database name followed by connection pool name. What is my database name now? UT underscore DB. What is my connection pool name? UT underscore CP is my connection pool name. So next, remaining all things are optional. If you are not touching also, it is okay. Let's say go to the file menu, save it or save it directly. What are the four parameters we changed it? What are the four parameters we changed it? One parameter you changed here, enable is equal to S is the parameter what we changed it. Enable is equal to yes is the one parameter we changed it. Second is what? Direct and insert is equal to yes. Next what we changed? Physical table name. That syntax we are aware of it now. What is that? Database name dot schema name dot table name, we provided it. Next is what? Connection pool parameter, we changed it. Connection pool syntax is what? Database name. Actual database name or physical layer name? Physical layer name only we are providing it, because this file is reading by Oracle based server. Oracle based server aware of it only RPD. That is the reason we are providing everything is what? RPD terminology we are providing. From RPD, it contacts the connection pool. Inside the connection pool, whatever actual database name is available, PDB, ORCL, and whatever actual username, passwords are available, to take it and will communicate with the table. Right, these four are very important parameters. We changed it. That's what I am asking here. Go to the US tracking section. Make enable is equal to S. Direct insert is equal to S. Next, Physical table name, next connection pool, next is what? Why I need to restart it? Ncase config.ini file, we changed it. Ncase config.ini file, any small thing you're changing also, we have to restart the Oracle BA server. So let us go and try to restart our Oracle BA server. We know how to visit the interface manager, right? So interface manager, then try to log in, then we have to go here, then BA instance, then availability page, then BA server. We have to restart your Oracle BA server. Before that, let me confirm, did I closed everything? I mean to say, ncase config.ini file, these things, let me close it. Okay, I closed it, right? This is also not required. This is also not required. Okay, and this is also not required. And this is also not required. To avoid the unnecessary confusion, I am closing all. Okay, now file browser. Okay, now if you see here, one more point here, let us go and try to connect to the schema first. Before restarting itself, I am trying to connect to the schema. Then I am writing here select star from s underscore nq underscore acct, run it. Do I have any records? Yes, we have it. Okay, someone ran these all things. That's what we have, some records, which is ran on the July 16, not this year, not this year, last year it is. Okay, let me truncate it so that we come to understand our records, right? So what I am doing, truncate table s underscore nq underscore acct. Okay, maybe child tables are available for this. So user constraints is on child table, that we have to remove it, then we have to do it. Okay, let it be, no problem. If it is available also, we can track based on the date, we can track it, right? Our records, you can track it. Let it, instead of deleting all those things, I need to delete here, truncate here means I have to remove the other records also, I have to remove it in another table. Instead of going for that one, I can go and I can, descending order, I can keep on the timestamp. Then I can see my records, I can see here, no problem, right? Okay. So we completed now observing our table. Let me go and try to restart this one. I clicked on the restart Oracle BA server, click on the S. Now it is trying to restart it. So that's what our step number 6, what we have it. Next is what? Testing. Develop any report and run it. We need to develop any report, or already we have so many reports? We already have so many reports and we know how to develop the report also, right? So let us take the existing one only, we'll take it. First let us confirm is complete or not. So it is not saved. Did I do the check-in changes? Now it won't work, I think. Okay. We have to do the proper check-in, proper save, then we have to restart it actually. Okay, let us see what work is available. Oh, it is there, everything, I think. It is there. I think I saved also. Okay, that's fine. Now whatever we wanted, that is available here. Excellent. So this is the table, we have it, and this business model, we have it. Now we need to go and we have to run any one report. Let us say I am going to the analytics portal. Let me sign out, sign in as WebLogic user. Then go to the dashboards. We have our dashboard B160 shared dashboard. Let me open this B160 shared dashboard. I got the report, right? Okay, this is report 1, report 2, and if you have report 3 also, we have it. Now this one is registered in the backend table or not. Let us go and try to observe it. I am going here. Then I am trying to run this one. You got it? What is today's date? 15th. As for the year's timings. Okay, 15th is the date, and time hours is what? Night 10 o'clock 24 minutes it is as per the year's timings. And if you go and try to see from starting, who ran this report? WebLogic user ran it. And what is the repository name? We used to, whenever we are uploading it, we used to say service instance SSI like that, right? That is SSI. And what is our business model name? Core. And what is our node ID? Demo.obies1. Where that node ID is available is whenever we are restarting our server, right? Here, this is what the node ID is going to take, demo.obies1. Now, what is this start time stamp? This is the start timestamp. Actually, timestamp also available here. What is this? 22, 24, 13 seconds. Next, what is this one? Start date. So it is a date. That is the reason this timestamp is not available. Next is available. What is this? Start hour and minute. End timestamp, end date, end hour, minute. What is the query it is ran? It is ran the query with the columns called as item product item type. Next what? Region. Next what? And dollars, so and so. That query is ran it. And query BLOB, query key. One key is created and success flag. And next we have here row count. How many rows came? 62 rows came. Next total time, how much time it is taken? Just like that it is ran. 0 seconds. Okay, that means maybe it's taken some milliseconds, but it is rounded means we are going to get nearest point. That is the reason 0 seconds it is giving. Now compilation time, number of DB queries executed, and cumulative database time in seconds. Okay, cumulative number of database rows, and is it executed from the cache or is it executed from the database? N means what? Executed from the database. Actually, I disabled the Oracle based server cache. Oracle based server cache position is what now? It is in disabled position. How many times you ran also you'll get here? No, only because that Oracle based server cache is disabled. Next, if we go and try to see what it is, report is running as part of what? In the shared folder, in the B160 folder, and name of the report is what? R3 is the report. Now this R3 report is independently it is running or as part of the dashboard is running? As part of the dashboard is running shared B160 portal B160 shared dashboard. Inside that one this R3 is available and it is running. We didn't run the independently report. We ran through the dashboard. Now similarly if you go for next one, what it is the name over there? Report 3 is the name over there. In the page name, what name it is? Dashboard page name, PG, dashboard page name. Now we have here presentation name. What is the presentation name or subject area name? That is the presentation name. Next error, though there are no errors, null. Next is what? Impersonator username. That means that will come into the picture whenever I implement here. I didn't implement it. Here we have a concept. Here we have a concept that is called as whenever we try to sign in here. There is an option called as what? Act as. Some other users we can act here. Suppose we take one big company CEO. He won't have time to come to the application and run the report and seeing the result. Under that guy, some PAs may be available. PA is going to log in, but even though PA is logged in, he has to see the data of whatever CEO is going to see. That level of data I have to see it. So once he logged in, he will select here as what? Proxy as a CEO. Proxy as a CEO. Okay, I'll talk that later. At this point of time, leave it. And we have here cache hits. Do you have any cache hits? No. ID is what? I said it is a unique value. For each row, it will be generated automatically by the system. It is not available in 10G. This is what key column in our case. Now ECID, and we have here tenant ID, service name, blah blah. We have it. Total time and total repository response time, blah blah. So what it is giving overall? Usage tracking or not? If this table is available in our hand, and I want to ask here, let us say, tell me who are the people using my application. That is a simple question. Who are the people using my application? Then you can say, oh, that's simple it is. Yes, I can do it very easily. What all you have to do? New, then analysis. What is this? UT, usage tracking. We have here the table called username, and if you want even, what is this? Start timestamp also. If you want, you can take it, but as of now, let us take the username result. Now who are the people used this one? Phone user, tablet user, okay, blah blah. We have it in that one. Our user just now we ran is what? WebLogic. For example, now I will take here one more instance. I will take it. Let us say private instance I am taking. Then I am going to the analytics portal. Then I am trying to log in as a other user. Then password here RR capital, I take small 123, and I am going to the dashboard, and I want to go to the dashboard called as B160 dashboard objects. We have it. Let me open the dashboard objects. Then we got some reports are available here. These reports are ran. If these reports are ran, then if you go to the back end, this one, and if you try to run the same thing, we should get here Lavanya user, right? We got here Lavanya user. 4 times why you got is 4 reports are available in the dashboard. 4 reports are available in the dashboard. Now if I go and try to run this report, whatever we have it, run this report whatever we have it, click on the refresh, then we should get here Lavanya user also. We got it, yes or no? So that's what called as application usage tracking. Analytics is a one application that usage tracking we are doing it. Suppose now total time in seconds I am talking about, it is a measure, right? Yes or no? Total time means what, sir? We have to submit or not? We have to submit. That is the reason what I will do is I will apply the aggregation rule as what? Sum. Then check in changes. Yes or no? Save it. Then let me go to the front end. Let me add here one column called as total time in seconds. Total time in seconds. Then we got here 0 separately, 2 separately. Why? Because we didn't do what? Reload server metadata. Then once we did that one, click on the refresh. Now total Lavanya, how much time she used it application? 2 seconds. And this user, how much time he used it? 71,989 seconds he used it. Okay, something like that. We can go and we can see it. And I want to know what are the dashboards they ran it. Let us go and try to see the dashboards here. There is a dashboards. Yeah, what is this? Dashboard column. The dashboard column we are taking it. Now Lavanya ran what dashboard she ran? Dashboard objects is the dashboard what she ran. And phone user ran, this is the dashboard. And WebLogic user ran what dashboard he ran? Today, maybe in the previous cases he ran some other things. That's what showing some other things also showing it. Today what he ran it? That is not there. Yeah, it is there. What is this? B160 shade dashboard what he ran. So now whatever you want, you are able to do it or not. Next point is
Total timestamp is it is login and log time or report running.
Okay, very good question. Total time in seconds is up, report once you ran it. Let us say I ran the report. It's taken 2 seconds. That 2 seconds only. You may be logged in 10 o'clock and you stayed idly up to 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock you ran the report. It won't give the 1 hour 2 minutes, 2 seconds. It gives only 2 seconds. Application usage is here, not the how much time you are inside the application. How much time the logical query is executed. Maybe right. Previous time, yeah. WebLogic. Why we have here 6,000? Those all things is previous initially we maybe ran so many things. Let's see. Quick start. Those all things dashboards I didn't run now. Why you got this big number? Because this big number we got it because of the other dashboards ran previous cases. If you see here, these all dashboards did I run it? Opposite to WebLogic only, quick start is available. Did I run it? No. Previous cases already ran. That history we are taking. That is the reason I thought of truncating the table to avoid the confusion, but it is not truncated because of some dependencies. Got it? Now, next question what I want to ask is, any customer you take it, that customer may be banking, finance, service customer, that customer may be healthcare customer, that customer may be IME customer, that customer may be any domain customer. Application usage wise, I think questions are common. Are you getting my point? Application usage wise, questions are common. Everyone want to know top 10 users who are using what are the reports are using by people, what are the dashboards are using by people. Those questions are what common. If it is common, why can't I can develop the reports also and I can give as a predefined package? Getting my points? Why to make each and every developer in each and every project in each and every customer account they have to put the efforts to develop the reports? Can I give the predefined Oracle only, let him develop Oracle only develop the user tracking reports and he give as a one catalog. That catalog we are able to integrate with our existing catalog means our job is done, right? Do you have that kind of provision? Ideally we should have it, right? Ideally we should have it. Yes, we do have it. If you want, generally we are going to implement like that only, we are going to implement it. If you take here usage tracking catalog. Okay, if you type here usage catalog, setting up usage tracking Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, open this link. Then we have here overview and installing the sample schemas and enabling it. Name installed right, download as usage tracking.zip. From here copy it, and this is the corresponding what file, and merge repository, and what is this presentation catalog. So they are giving here what is that repository file as well as corresponding presentation catalog. They are giving it. We have to merge it. There is some process is available as part of the merging. If I explain once deployment chapter, you will able to merge the things. You are able to merge it. Are you getting my point? So what I want you to know is, we need not develop the reports from 0 to 100, as it is a common requirement for all the projects, all the accounts. The reason Oracle guy already given that RPD as well as catalog. Only thing is that RPD catalog you have to collect it and you have to merge that RPD with your main RPD, and you have to copy the catalog reports to your catalog. You have to copy it. How to copy that one, that you have to know it. Are you getting my point? That one I am going to explain as part of the deployment chapter. Okay, I think I am good with this. Then tomorrow we'll meet and we'll try to cover some more things. Am I clear? Any questions, folks? Online folks, any questions? No? Okay, then we are good. Tomorrow we are going to meet same time. Okay, we'll see how far you can stay here. Okay? Right. Thank you. Come by same time. Come by same time.